It is understandable that executives focus on return on investment. However, when it comes to investing in employees and their development, the ROI connection can appear unclear. But what is the cost of a disconnected employee? What is the cost of that employee failing to connect with customers? And what is the cost of customers having no deep connection to the company? A company's brand or reputation represents up to 70% of its value. Investing in that reputation, or what it takes to build a strong brand, would therefore seem to be a very wise thing to do. But strong brands are ultimately built by people. We buy a product or service because it meets a need. We buy it again and again because the experiences we have had, primarily with people, have been positive. We feel emotionally connected.
Customers like a lot of things, but they love just a few. Love is a powerful emotion, and it's your people that determine whether customers like your company or love your company. However, before customers can love your company, your people must love your company. That's the critical connection piece. When employees can connect their own sense of purpose, their goals, their values to what the company stands for, then the love they feel for the company flows from your people to your customers. Bottom line, customers come back time and time again. And that's the best return on investment any company can get.